adjustments in game na gagawin ni Coach Dante because this FEU squad has a lot of tools pagdating sa second stringers nila. 2-3 substitutions in the middle of the set, so they have to be able to. Buds Budin had 72%, Gapoltos had 80%.
They were so sharp.
Wow.
They were. Parang they wanted to erase any kind of doubt, Neil, in that Final Four. That they were still the defending champions because their confidence didn't take a hit throughout the season. Not winning against LaSalle. Diba? The twin receives. One-on-one. What a set by Cacao.
All eyes were on Donggala and Amit Bituin. I forgot about Drix
The
Avel.
lead is 2.
Officially, the score is 21 for NU, 23 for FEU.
Set points. 3 of them. That's the way to get it back.
The teammates of Ariel Cacao just
Sent back. Recycled offense to Saavedra. Off the touch.
Off the block, Drix Saavedra.
these are the options that we talked about in the pregame. Yes, it wasn't the best of passes. Pero pag nakatingin na
The biggest lead now of any team here in this match at 5 as Drix cuts it down to 4 with his 7th point.
he leads all scorers on the FEU side.
Hindi siya bumubuhat, Neil, all season.
They're gonna be in a better position. So for FEU, now is the time for you to try to catch up. Kasi pag nabuhayan na si Leo Ordiales, tapos lamang pa yung NU, mas mahihirapan ka makabalik.
8 points. Kaya walang stat para sa kay Peng sa ganun, because that is a big part of the point, really. The unsung nuances of the game that contribute to the beauty of the game of volleyball. As we look at this counter point by FEU, what a set to Drix. And a chance to attack here for Disquitado.
Block was ready. No option from the back row. They were down on the floor.
Balik ng bola.
Sa sobrang pag-absorb ni Venny, hindi umangat na yung bola.
That is in at the corner.
11 points for Drix Saavedra. I think he reserved.
Pinapanood ko yung service ni Drix. Ang lakas lagi ng spin ng bola niya. And you saw there, that was flat. It was not intentional. Budin keeps it. Naipasa pa, but Disquitado did not want to risk it. Mendoza sent back. Bump set to Drix. Lumusot. Saavedra unleashes his 12th point and a 2-point lead for FEU.
Drix Saavedra catching fire here in set number 3. That's what they want to establish an early lead against NU.
Cacao reverses to Saavedra.
Flame shot served up by Drix Saavedra directly to the libero.
The floor touch. And they take over the lead. Everything to FEU. 23-21. And it's in! 3 set points.
FEU is back. They control the service line.
3-2, they take over the lead. They continue to go to Espartero. Espartero leaves it for Saavedra, who finds a gap in that block.
The green
16.
lights are on for Drix Saavedra. Already meeting is cramping up.
Yeah, parang. Which I also saw in that game against the UST as Saavedra gets the point back.
It's going to be important for FEU to score off.
Oh, simple serve by Mukaba. He made it A safe serve.
Ooh.
Saavedra.
The brunt of that spike. to
Too
the
much
body.
heat in the kitchen.
Saavedra. 8-2. Faulty receive. Disquitado. Saavedra gets one.
Good point for FEU. They're trailing by 5 but they're getting better touches defensively sa harapan at sa likod.
Saavedra
Off the
able
block.
to
Red
squeeze it through the blocker still for his 20th point.
Finding a crack in the wall. He did get blocked multiple times but sa pagkakakilala na